everyone, how you guys doing? Today it's time for some noodles, Chinese noodles. That will be a little bit spicy, and the name is Chilli Garlic Noodles. So let's start right away. And for the preparation, I have taken here a bowl of noodles. I have boiled it nicely, and here I have taken half a tablespoon of chopped ginger. Here I have taken loads of garlic, like 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 chopped green chili, 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced capsicum, and half a bowl of carrot chopped sliced. And here I have taken 1 teaspoon salt. I will be needing black pepper powder, and here I have taken 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. And here I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil. If you want the noodles to be more spicy, you can add more red chili sauce if you want. That's completely your choice. So now let's start. Okay, so here I have heated a pan. Now I will add the oil. Let the oil get hot, and then we will add the ginger and garlic. The oil is hot now, so I will add the garlic as well as the ginger. Saute it till its raw smell goes off completely. You don't need to chop the garlic very nicely, because we need to feel the garlic in our mouth. So our ginger and garlic has been nicely sauteed, and now we will add the sliced onion, and we will fry it until the onion becomes golden in color. We don't need to fry it a lot, we just want it to be soft. So our onions have become soft, and now we will add the chopped capsicum and the carrots. Mix it, and here we will add half a teaspoon of salt so that the capsicum and the carrots get softer easily. And guys, just remember, Chinese dishes taste the best while cooked in high flame. So try to cook the whole noodles in high flame, and you will get to cook it easily after practicing 2 or 3 times. Okay, so our capsicum and carrots got cooked, and now we will add the soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of it, and also the other sauces like the tomato ketchup, and also the red chili sauce. And cook it. Saute it for 30 seconds, and then we will add the noodles. The sauces have got cooked well, and now let's add the chopped chili and then mix it. You don't need to saute it for long, just give it a mix. And now we will add the noodles. I prefer not to add all of the noodles at once, I've added half, and then I will mix it with the veggies and sauces. Just roughly mix it, and then I'll add the rest. Mix this also nicely with the sauces until all the sauce and spices and the veggies get well mixed with the noodles. The noodles have got well mixed, and now it's time to add the remaining salt and just a pinch of black pepper powder. Again, we need to mix everything well, and after mixing everything well, just saute it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then your noodles will be ready. So our yummy chili garlic noodles is ready, and you saw it was very easy to prepare and it took a very little amount of time. Do try it in your home, and if you like the video, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, share it with your friends and family, and if you want to give me any feedback or suggestions, do type it in the comment section below. And till my next recipe, bye bye.